The Heading Law Firm is recognized by the Bar Register of Preeminent Lawyers in the top 5% of criminal defense firms in the state of California. You are about to hear from the founding member of the firm, whose numerous accomplishments in the field of criminal defense include being a former commissioner for the State Bar of California's Judicial Nomination Commission, part of the investigation process for the Governor of California related to the selection of judges in California. Mr. Heading is AV peer review rated by Martindale-Hubbell and has received the highest marks for standards and legal ability by peer attorneys and judges. This honor was only given to the top 5% of attorneys in the state. The man you are about to hear from was named Criminal Defense Attorney of the Year in 1999, 2003, and 2004 by Consumer Business Review. And he has been named a rising star in the Super Lawyers edition of Law and Politics magazine, the publishers of Los Angeles Magazine. Mr. Heading has handled federal matters all over the nation and was responsible for obtaining a client pardon from President George Bush in 2004. He was involved in a published opinion by a California Court of Appeals and has handled numerous high-profile cases that have garnered local and national media attention. His experience includes working for the District Attorney's Office, working with a Superior Court judge as his research attorney, and being the guiding force behind the Heading Law Firm.
If you have a team of attorneys working for you who have the experience, knowledge, know-how, and local connections, you're going to have the best representation possible, and therefore you're going to end up with the best possible result. Whether it be fighting a case in front of a jury and showing the jury that you're innocent, or if it's a situation where a plea bargain is applicable, we know how to do it. We have the know-how and the connections to get the job done on your behalf. In my opinion, when you look at a criminal defense attorney, you want to look at, is that person local to the courthouse that my case is in? Do they know the prosecutors there? Have they handled cases there before? Do they know the judges there? And you want an attorney who you feel comfortable with. Come sit down with me. Let's talk about your case. Let's talk about your situation. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you what I think. And when you come in here, I believe you're going to get the feeling that I am here to help you. Anytime you call our firm and you want to talk about a criminal case where you need an attorney, we'll give you a free, confidential, face-to-face consultation. Why do we give a free consultation? Because if you're serious about hiring a criminal defense attorney and you come and meet with me and you talk to me about your case, once you've heard what I have to say and how prepared our firm is, and if you have a case in the San Fernando Valley or Los Angeles County, you're going to know that we are the best defense firm. When you come and you sit face-to-face with us for a free, absolutely confidential consultation, you're going to tell us where your case is, which courtroom it's in, and we're going to tell you about the judge in that courtroom and the prosecutor in that courtroom. And then we're going to talk about your specific situation, what the charge is, what the situation is. And you're going to sit down and you're going to tell us everything. And once we have that information, we are going to design a plan to put you in the best possible position. I encourage you to look at our website carefully. Our credentials are unmatched. Call now. You don't have anything to lose. Set up a free, face-to-face, absolutely confidential meeting with our attorneys. We'll sit down, we'll talk to you under the cloak of the attorney-client privilege, and you will be convinced that you have an advocate on your side that will protect your freedom, your reputation, and your rights.
Our criminal defense law firm holds the rare distinction of being recognized by Martindale-Hubbell in the Bar Register of Preeminent Lawyers for the highest professional legal standards and ethics.